Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on a Motorola Moto E32s. And to do this you will need to open your Google Play Store. Inside, find Google Classroom. Here it is, we can click on it and then press on the install. After installation process is finished, you should be able to launch it. Click on Get Started and select the account you want to use. Then you can tap on the plus button, join class, enter the class code right here, and when it's ready you should be able to tap on the join right here, and then you should be with your class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.